May I ask General Ratates, sino po yung na-dismiss na from the service?
There are 10 personnel, part of the 34 personnel who have undergone summary hearing proceedings. They are Police Corporal Rexes U. Claveria, Police Staff Sergeant Christian C. Corpus, Police Staff Sergeant Roy G. Pioquinto, Staff Sergeant Danilo L. Desder, Staff Sergeant Mark J. Dumocrito, Police Executive Master Sergeant Arsenio K. Valle, Police Captain Sherwin Limbawan, Police Major John Patrick O. Magsalos, Police Major Jason D. Quijana, and Police Lieutenant Colonel Jolet T. Guevara, Your Honor.
Pio Quinto, sige, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo mga membro po ng chairman nito. Mr. Chairman, humingi po sana ako ng consideration na kasi meron po kaming na-receive na order na dismissal on PNP service na po kami. Humingi po ako sa inyo ng magandang kalooban po at mabigyan niyo po sana kami ng kahit konting panahon lang po na makasagot po kami sa dismissal order namin kasi binibigyan po kami ng about 10 days lang po. Kung maari po sana para ano po namin yung MR po saka yung mga document need ng ng sasagutin po naming desisyon. Baka pwede makalpas lang po siguro sa Tagalog term po, makalpas lang po sa siguro 5 days para maano lang po namin yung dismissal order po.
The reply or MR or any reply with that resolution can be physical or can be mailed, Your Honor. Through registered mail.
So through registered mail or through their lawyers na lang. Pwede.
That's true, Your Honor.
Okay, so that answer your query. Pio Quinto. Correct?
Yes, sir. Kung ano lang ho sana, sir, kung mabibigyan lang ho sana kami ng pagkakataon kasi may mga documents po namin na nasa bahay po namin eh. Kung sana po sana ang hinihiling ko lang po sana, Your Honor, hindi ko po hinihiling na malip yung ano po namin, yung contempt po namin.
Yeah, okay.
Mabigyan lang po sana kami ng a certain days po na makapag-comply doon po sa MR na gagawin po namin. And then I promise you, nangako po kami sa inyo na babalik kami sa takdang araw na ibinigay niyo po sa amin. Kung mamarapatin niyo po, Your Honor.
May asawa ka ba, bro?
Meron po, sir. Anniversary po nga namin ngayon eh.
Medyo na-touch naman ako doon.
Good, Mr. Chair.
Congressman, ako.
Yung po bang request ni Sergeant Pioquinto would be true to the 9 others?
Hindi, I think with the General Tates, you can answer back.
Yung bang position ni Sergeant Pioquinto, parehas din ang position ng mga iba, yung 9?
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Siguro, we'll be asking, is it true? Is it the same predicament that you have, Colonel Guevara?
Yes, Mr. Chair. If I may add, Mr. Chair, we've been also placed for restrictive custody for 3 months already, Mr. Chair. So it's been almost 4 months for us na restrict. Talagang hindi po kami nakagalaw regarding our case and everything. So if through your compassionate heart, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, hindi kayo parehas lang ni Sergeant Pioquinto. Dahil Sergeant Pioquinto, kailangan niyang makauwi para ihandaan yung kanyang motion for reconsideration o apila. Sa iyo, iba eh.
Same po, Mr. Chair. Dinagdagan ko lang po.
Alin?
Same po, Mr. Chair.
The same. Hindi ko alam. Pero when you file a motion for reconsideration, ano pang kailangan mo sa bahay? Kasi kakaso ako for 19 years. Pero wala akong kinailangan sa bahay. Up to the Supreme Court yung kaso ko. Anong kailangan mo sa bahay? para makapag-file ka ng motion for reconsideration. Samantalang, yung abogado lang ang kailangan mo. Pulis din ako dati, iho. At mas malala yung kaso ko kaysa sa iyo.
Sir, yung mga dokumento po kasi na hawak ko, sir, nung simula po, sir, ng explanation, investigation, nakapile po sa bahay, nakapile po sa bahay po namin, Your Honor. Mga succeeding documents po yun, Your Honor, para po sa MR ko. Para baka kasi po kung iba po yung gumawa, maganda labo-labo po yung case file ko po. Yun lang po, Your Honor. Salamat po.
Mr. Chair, I leave that to the body or the wisdom of the committee already, Mr. Chair.
I will give the floor to Congressman Tulfo. Since
Okay.
he was the one that moved to cite them on contempt.
Okay, so Congressman Erwin Tulfo, go ahead.
Mr. Chairman, if I'll be allowed, I'd like to file a motion for a furlough being requested by these police officers, not only of the 5, but those entire police officers under our custody for a furlough of 5 days so that they can do their own business, be with their families. And they would be back, and they must be back on Monday, Mr. Chairman. 5 days being starting tomorrow until Sunday, Mr. Chairman. Move.
All right, so there's a motion for the 5
Second
days
motion.
furlough, no? Right? Okay.
Motion, Mr. Chair.
Okay, is for all of them.
For all of them, Mr.
For all of
Chairman.
them. Okay. So there's a motion for the 5 days furlough for the following personalities from General Mariano to the Sergeant Pio Ginto. Is there before I move for the adoption, I will be reminding all of those will be released today to come back. No,
Monday.
to come back. Otherwise, we will be constrained to issue a warrant of arrest again to all of you. Sana wag po nating malitin yung desisyon namin na binigyan po namin kayo ng 5 araw na pagkakataon para ayusin nyo yung mga problema po ninyo sa inyong mga
Mr.
dismissal.
Chairman.
And before I recognize Sir Congressman Erwin Tulfo, yung tiwalang pinagkaloob namin sa inyo, huwag niyo pong sasayangin dahil hindi po kami mangingimi uli that we will be asking this committee again to issue a search warrant to all of you. Okay, Congressman Erwin Tulfo. Warrant of arrest pala.
Mr. Chairman, they have to be back and they must be back kasi doon ho ninyo malalaman sa Monday yung magiging pag-uusapan ho natin dito kung i-lift na ho yung inyong contempt. Otherwise, sasayangin ho ninyo, makukulong ho kayo na mas mahaba-habang panahon. So, you must be back by Monday. We are giving you 5 days furlough. Doon sa nag-request na to work on their cases. Yung iba naman ho, sabi ko nga ho, lahat naman ho kami dito, may mga padre pamilya, may mga asawa. So we know that tomorrow is a very special day. All right? So we're giving you a furlough. We're giving you 5 days, but you have to be back on Monday para malinaw ho tayo. Ano po? Kasi on Monday, may hearing ho tayo or Tuesday, Mr. Chairman. Tuesday, may hearing ho tayo. Dito malalaman ko i-lift na ho yung contempt ninyo. All right? So we understand. Mr. Chair.
So, makakapag-celebrate na kayo ng Valentine's na tomorrow, di ba?
Ikaw lang
Yun
yata,
lang.
Mr. Chairman.
Baka ang
Anong
reason you really wanted to get out is anyway, si Michael Nobesia, you wanted to hindi, gusto na rin niya lumabas eh. So, what's your take?
Kung hindi na po sana kami kailangan dito po, sir, gusto ko na rin po sana magpakalayo-layo.
Okay, sige, mag-ano na lang tayo ng waiver, no?
Salamat po, sir.
Para at least secure naman yung committee that we really wanted you to stay for your security, but if you wanted to go out as well, together with our PNP personnel who are under our custody. It's up to you, no? But rest assured that we will be monitoring your movements as well, no?
Salamat po, sir.
And from the time that you will be released later on, please communicate with us, no? Para doon sa mga pangangailangan namin in case that we need you. All right?
Oh, thank you po, sir.
Okay, so there's a motion by Congressman Erwin Tulfo. Duly seconded by
Second
Congressman
motion.
Bosita. Any objection? Hearing no objection, the 5-day furlough is now given to all PNP personnel under our custody.